Good evening, students, everyone. We are talking to about that optical physics. That is, optical physics is deals with optical properties of uh, light, how the light is will be bent, and how the light is reflected, how the light is polarized, how many types of light properties are known. In this topic we can learn about the optical properties of light. Here we can use to introduce a new topic in the fourth sem, that is we know about the light. Without light we cannot see anything in the universe. Without light we cannot see anything in the universe. What means? Here the light is not fall any object. The light cannot be fall any object. The object does not be appears here. The light cannot be appears in the universe. Here we can take as a best examples. In a room we can switch off the light. We cannot find anything on the room, but we can on the switch on the room we can find everything on the room. When the light falls any object, it can be reflected. We can observe the object color and surface and also thing of which it is made. Like that properties we can observe clearly. Here the light properties are known. We know there is a bending of light and reflection of light, refraction of light and polarization, interference and diffraction. These are the main properties of light. In the optical physics we can use to best topic, that is in the textbook we can saw, that is in the picture. Simply we can saw this is the optical physics fourth sem second year students. This is a book. The name is optical physics. Here we can use it to different types of topics. In this we have no this is a unified physics book. Actually this is unified physics book. We can observe here 4 units. We can discuss about the interference, diffraction, polarization, and also we know two things, that is waves, bars, vibrations in bars and vibrations in strings. Here first topic is interference. We know the interference of light. The light is a superposition each and other, then it can be formed a interference pattern. Here we can observe clearly interference pattern. How the interference pattern will be decided to explain, and calculation of different types of interference methods. Here the interference is one of the small topic in the light properties. Here the interference of light is the two types. One is by the division of wavefront interference, by the division of amplitude. These are the two types of interference. What is meant by superposition principle? The superposition principle, we know there is a superposition principle. Here we can observe the superposition principle. The principle of superposition, the light is falls any object, then the two light waves are each and have same frequency or different frequencies, and same amplitude, different amplitudes. Those can be superposition to each other. It can be mentioned easily. 1 minute. Here the principle states that the resultant displacement of a particular of media act upon a two or more waves similarly equal frequencies and equal phase difference is arithmetically sum of the displacements of the same particulars due to individual waves. This principle is known as superposition principle. That is, y is the one wave, y1 is one wave, y2 is another wave. Then the resultant wave is equal to the displacement of first wave is y1, the displacement of second wave is y2. Therefore, the superposition is principle is says that sum of those two waves, that is r is equal to y1 plus y2. This is called superposition of two waves, and the differences of two waves also, it is also same like that. Superposition means the two waves are one and each other will be mixed, that is superposition. Here resultant wave is equal to r is equal to y1 plus y2, r is equal to y1 minus y2 or y2 minus y1. Those is known as superposition. Okay, now we know another thing, that is Young's experiment. Young's scientist will be explain the superposition principle easily with the superposition of two waves. Here S is the simple single monochromatical wave is falls on a slit and it can be formed a superposition. Here we can observe the things. Here in the picture we can observe clearly. In this picture we can clearly we can observe there is a superposition. Here the all the waves are, each and every wave will be mixed with another wave, two or more waves. That's why it is known as superposition. It is known as superposition. Okay, here another thing is there, coherence. What is meant by coherence? Coherence means, okay, thank you. Tomorrow we can discuss about coherence.